In 2012, a company engaged us to upgrade their accounting system from QuickBooks as part of an overall strategy, which led to, within 24 months, their acquisition in a $1 billion transaction that made headlines all across the country. This was our first software implementation managed under the Agile approach, and our customer believes it helped them monetize their $1 billion valuation. I'm Brian Terrell, Managing Partner of BTerrell Group, and we've been providing Sage Intacct software and services from North Texas longer than anyone. Today, we call that Agile implementation approach BTerrell SmartStart, and it's an important part of the BTerrell SmartSuite of services that includes Sage Intacct accounting and financial management software. CFOs begin their BTerrell SmartStart implementation by articulating their vision and goals for the project. Immediately thereafter, we begin our configuration sprint when the client and their BTerrell SmartStart implementation specialists sit down and configure Sage Intacct. Within a couple of hours, the system's ready for loading general ledger transactions, accounts receivable and accounts payable open documents, and the last bank reconciliation. This results in a minimum viable implementation of Sage Intacct in which basic revenue and expense transactions can be entered and from which financial statements can be printed. How fast to a minimum viable implementation? In some cases, we can have companies there in 5 to 7 working days. We then begin additional configuration sprints as necessary, and the iterative nature of BTerrell SmartStart ensures continuous refinement and improvement of Sage Intacct for as long as members remain subscribers to BTerrell SmartSuite. Join me next week when we detail the value proposition of BTerrell Smart Assist, which removes the barriers to continuous access and engagement with our consultants and their Sage Intacct product knowledge and experience. Until then, insist on membership in BTerrell SmartSuite.